HydroSeal HF, the ultimate roof, slab and wall waterproofing barrier. HydroSeal HF is a ready-to-use single-component, water-based, flexible, UV-resistant, acrylic waterproof coating, designed for a wide range of waterproofing applications in the built environment. HydroSeal HF can be used to waterproof and protect all types of surfaces like concrete roof slabs, parapet walls, tiled roofs, valleys, ridges, vents, flashings, balconies, cement dams, ponds, and more. The key benefits include exceptional adhesive properties, durable, long-lasting, and weather-resistant, easy application, and it is also eco-friendly. HydroSeal HF, your universal acrylic waterproof coating.